Hello everyone, this is Ankit from My Whole Child, the special educator. So, how are you doing? Because it's very difficult time for all of us, for parents, for families, and especially for our little champs. We are really affected by this corona pandemic, but we can't stop our child learning. We have to move continuously on and on, on and on. So, here I am giving you some tips and activities that will enhance your child's skills at home. So, my topic is fun with numbers. So the first question came, why did I choose this topic? Actually, we use lots of numbers and the math skills in our daily basis. Like we match, we count, we sometimes add the object. Like, can you give me 3 bananas and 2 apples? Can you give me 4 pencils and 3 erasers? So sometimes we use subtraction and division, like can you divide this pizza into 4 persons, divide it into equal this 3 person. So that will give you a hint how the math skills and numerical skills are really important for our life. So right, but we have seen the lots of child having problem in the pre-numericals and math skills. So why is it? So there are lots of reasons behind it. Like we can say sometimes the concept is not clear, sometimes maybe it's the transitional issue. For example, we can count the 3D object, but we can't count the pictures over in the worksheet. So there are sometimes uh, other supportive skills are not ready for learning skills, like the visual motor skills for moving the visual and hand coordination. Sometimes organizational and memory skills are not perfect for learning. So right, so here I am going to some activities that will enhance the numeric and the math skills. So our first activity is shape concept. So we need a clay. You can use atta or maida, which is easily available at your home, and you need some rajma beans like this, as you can see over this. So first, in this activity, we have to roll and make a sheet like this. I am making, and you have to make a shape over this, or you can make dots. The child will connect the dots. It depends on you, what is the level of your child. So I am making this triangle over here for this, as you can see, and we have to pick a rajma and place it over these lines. So the child will pick a rajma and place it, like as I am placing the rajma over here, like this. So as you can see, I made a triangle with the rajma beans. So what's the benefit of this activity? Because it is a multisensory approach activity. So what is the multisensory approach activity? Which includes basically our the sensory inputs, like we touch the clay and the rajma beans. It includes our fine motor skills, and we hear what we have to make, verbalize this is a triangle. So the child will trace the rajma beans and make a triangle over here. So I made a triangle, but you can make the other shapes like circle, rectangle, whatever do you want to make. Can you see this? I made these shapes with the cardboard. So you can cut the cardboard like this. I'm showing to you. So what is the reason behind it of this activity? What is the motive? So this is looks like a frame. So we have to find out the shapes while looking at the frames. Like we have to look which shape is looks like this shapes. So I think this is a right shape. So this is a rectangle. Okay. So we take the our this is triangle and find out the where is the triangle shape. So is it? No. Is it triangle? No. But is it triangle? Yeah, it's look like same. So this activity will help in generalizing the shapes over our environments. Like you can see lots of objects which are available at your home. Like you can see if you have a clock with a square shape, so you can see with a square frame. If you have a circle, so you can see with circle. So this concepts of the shapes will help to generalize the shape concept with our environment. So we are going to do our next activity with a slate board, some amount of water, chalk and a cotton ball, you can see. So we will try in this activity making a shape with the help of cotton ball. So first we have to make the shapes, or the child can make the shape like I made this. Then we have to dip the cotton ball into water and trace over the lines. As you can see, I am making my triangle with this cotton ball. So this will a multisensory approach that will enhance your child's to do the activity, because it's not the simple activity just writing the make the shapes. This is very interesting activity you can do with your child at home for learning shapes. We are going to do some number sense activity that will enhance our counting as well as number identification skills. So first we need a clay and we have to do some cards. Like you can see, I made with the normal cardboards with the markers. First our is number, and then second is a cookie, and there is a choco chips. Like as you can see, I am showing you my some cards, like 4 having 4 choco chips in a circle, 5 having 5 choco chips in a circle. So what we'll have to do, we make a cookie with a clay, or you can use atta or maida which is available at your home. Like this you can see. So I am just picking a card like 4. So I placed it over here. So what will the child have to do? The child have to count these dots 1, 2, 3, 4 and pick the 4 rajma and place it over the clay. Like I am making the cookie, as you can see, the 4th number cookie. So you can use lots of numbers, like I made 2, 3, whether it's 4 or 5 for the countings and the number skills. हमें ध्यान ये रखना है कि child will count the numbers over here, like the choco chip 1, 2. So how many rajma beans will I have to pick? कितनी राजमा बीन्स मुझे उठानी और इसमें लगानी, so that मेरी कुकी ready हो. So there is our next activity. This is a worksheet for numbers and countings. So what is this? You can see there is a 6. You can trace or you can make with a clay. I'll show you how to make. Then you can count with fingers and show it to a child. Like count this. The child will show you. And here is a empty cup. So we will find out what we'll have to do. Then you can read the number over here, and we have to fix some objects which satisfy this number. Okay, I'm gonna show you. So take a clay or atta and roll it. Like you can see, and placed it over the numbers. I'll show you. Like 6. So you can trace or make with clay. Now this is our second. We will count the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here is a 6. So we have to count with our fingers. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then you have to say to your child, can you show me your 6 fingers? So maybe your child will show you 6 fingers. Now our Next, this is an empty cup and we have to fill it with our ice cream. Like we can use the 6 cotton ball and place it over here. Like I am placing. Two. Here is our 3. Here is our 4. 5. And the last one is 6. So you can see we made an ice cream with a cotton ball and learn the counting. So here's the next part. So as you can read, this is 6. So the child will read 6. So the number is 6. The child will read in a alphabetical order. Then we will have to place the object in this box. So what is the number? So the number is 6. Then we will place the 6 objects into this box. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and our last one is 6. So this worksheet includes lots of inputs, like we made 6 with the clay, we counted with our fingers, we count with the cotton balls and make an asking cup, we read the number, and we can count the objects placing in an arrangement order. So here is our next worksheet, which is based on numbers and countings. So you can make flowers that I've made in this, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So its heights are different level, like इसकी height different level पे, so that it can help your child. So in the numbers in alphabet in a order, and which is the higher one, कौन सा बड़ा number है, so that. So what we'll have to do, we need some watercolor, like here. So we need to do a painting, a finger painting. Like I am making a leaf in the 1 number. So we will make 2. So we will make 2 leaves over here. Okay. Then what comes after 2? Here is our 3. So 1, 2, and then 3. So they feels we are doing some paintings, and with doing painting we are learning also numbers and countings. This is our next activity. Now we are gonna learn addition with our hands. Like you can cut your hands with the papers. Like as you can see, मैंने hand का design काटा है page पे, and the finger is this are open. So there is a 2 box. This is the first, then second, and here is our last one for the answer. So in the first box we will write the number. Like I write 2, and our other number is 3. So what we'll have to do, count and 1, 2, and bend these fingers. So here is our 1 finger is bending, here is our 2nd finger is bent. Okay, now there is a second one. So we have to bend our 3 fingers. So 1, and 2, and here is our last one, 3. So we have to count the all of the fingers, that is 10. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we will join the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here is our last one, 5. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So this activity will helps in learning addition, but the activity is up to unit place. So you can't do addition with bigger number. You can learn addition with under the 10. So this is our next activity based on addition. So what I make, this is a box, this is a board game box like you can see, and मैंने दो ग्लास यहाँ stick कर दिए with the help of glue or tape, you can see, and there is a sign over here, the plus sign. So this activity will help to do the additions with the objects. So you can use objects जो भी आपके घर में पड़ा हो, but I am taking some beads over here and mushrooms. So like first we want to know 3 plus 4 कितना होता है. So we will do 1, 2, 3 and our last one is 4. So 4 हमारे चले गए. अब हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में से 3 और डालते हैं, like 1, 2, 3. Then now we'll count all of this mushroom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we know the 3 plus 4 equal to 7. So we learned with the objects the addition. जैसे हमने addition सीखा, we can use with bigger numbers. Like we want to know the 10 plus 7 कितना होता है. So we will put 10 over here and 7 over here, and the count, the numbers comes is 17. So this activity will works on the object manipulation. Like, so the child will learn with the object, concrete object. So here is our subtraction activity. Like you can see, here is our number, and there is the second number, and here is some monster. So what we'll have to do, okay, there is a 5, so we have to pick 5 objects. You can take Rajma or clay balls. I am taking clay balls over here, like 2, 3, 4, and the last one is 5. So we have to minus 2 out of 5. So the 2 balls monster will eat like this. The remaining will comes over here. So we will count 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3. You can do with others numbers, but you have to need a Rajma or a clay. So I hope these activities will help you a lot for enhancing your child's skills. If you have any further queries, so you can contact to My Whole Child at via WhatsApp or email. Thank you.